Whether you live on or off reserve, it's important for you to vote in the Anishinaabe Nation Education Agreement Ratification vote. But you have to know what's in it. What do you get? What's important to you is something that we need to address. If you're a First Nation member and you live off reserve, there's still benefits in this agreement for your students and the students who live off reserve. The education agreement covers funding not only for schools and students who live on reserve, but for the off-reserve members, continued access to post-secondary funding is something that we've secured through this agreement. Post-secondary funding is part of the allocation that we've negotiated for from Canada. It's part of the fiscal package in education. In addition, if you're a First Nation member and you live off reserve, your students are going to off-reserve schools. And as part of this agreement that we've negotiated with Canada, we've opened the door for an education agreement with Ontario. And it's through that agreement with Ontario that we can start making changes to the curriculum, what's taught in school. We can start making changes to who the teachers are, have more Anishinaabe teachers and counselors and administrators working in that education system so students can see their own community members or other Anishinaabe in those key positions. We also have an opportunity to enhance learning on culture and language through this Master Education Agreement, this opportunity we have with Ontario. So the impacts and the influence of voting yes for this agreement matters to you as off-reserve members as well, for the current generation, but also for generations to come.